Making confit of duck from scratch can be quite time consuming. You need to cure it, so salt it for a while and then slow cook it in duck fat. Super delicious. But now you can buy confit of duck legs already slow cooked. They're delicious as is, served with fries or lentils, very classic French way. But I'm going to show you a different way, giving it a bit of a Mexican feel. So I've been frying off some onions for about 5 to 6 minutes or until they're caramelized just like this. I'm going to add just a few classic Mexican flavors here, so some cumin and dried oregano, and then some chipotle in adobo sauce. And because these duck legs are already cooked, we're essentially just reheating them so they shred in this delicious Mexican chili con carne. We're going to just add them to our spices and just coat them in the chipotle and onions. Smells fantastic. Because they have been salted, I don't need to add any salt to this. Then in with some kidney beans to really bulk it out, along with some crushed tomatoes. And I always like to add a splash of water to the bowl just to clean that out so we get all of the tomato. Okay, we'll give that another quick little stir, and 2 duck legs just like this goes a long way. So this is going to feed 4 people quite easily. All right, I'm going to pop a lid on this, turn it down to a low heat and cook this for about 20 minutes or until that meat is super tender. Much duck meat we got off 2 duck legs, and you can see how easy it was to shred. It was meltingly tender. Okay, you could serve this as you like, in tacos, in a burrito, enchiladas. I'm going to serve it quite simply just on a bed of rice, a delicious midweek dinner that can be done within 20 minutes. A nice generous spoonful, getting lots of that duck meat on top. And then the usual suspects when it comes to Mexican food, a little bit of grated cheese. I like some avocado, maybe a dollop of sour cream just on top, and a few sprigs of coriander, lovely fresh coriander over the top. And I like this to be a little spicy, so a little splash of hot sauce, your favourite one. Confit of duck, very French, but with a Mexican twist. You can see how versatile it is and, most importantly, how quick it is to prepare.